Hello, and welcome to my Sunday From. Today I have a what's in my mailbox for you guys. So this is just a quick haul. I got this in today. I had ordered a couple of shorts and I wanted some tops for it. So I got some, and so let's see what in the mail. So the first thing I got was this Forever 21 top. And this top is a size small. It's a black knit tank top. It's just a muscle tank, and it's like a crew neck. So it's really cute. It has like a curve at the bottom. So it has like kind of like a fun concept. And like I said, it's a size small. So I mean, I'm usually extra small, but like I'm like a barely an extra small still. Like it's just March, so I don't expect to go down a lot. Like I know I'm dieting and stuff, but like I try to stay away from losing probably a lot of weight because I'm an extra small already. But this is the size small they have, and it will fit me. But like I said, I got it because I just, like I'm just getting adjusted to extra small size. And eventually I'll fully, be extra small, like, you know what I mean? So that's the first top. Here's the second one. You're probably gonna be like, why'd you do that? That's so boring, but I did it. Another tank top, another muscle tee. And this one's kind of funner. It's still, you know, like it looks almost like a halter top, but it's like a racer back almost. And it has a line in the back. I think I bought one of these, or I bought these, but like I ended up buying my mother's size, so I just gave them to her. And then this is also a small. This one's I like this one. It's cute. I like the color. It's like a dark heathered gray. And yeah, this one's a little bit um cuter for me. You'll probably think everything I like is plain, but it's it's like I don't know, it just has more to it, I think. The other one's cute, but it's like, I don't know. I just probably imagine what I do in the clothes rather than, you know what I mean? Even though like you can wear this with anything, and this one's more for me, it's more casual only. Although people do dress these up and wear them with like skirts and, put a fun heel on. But yeah, I don't know. I tend to stay away from that type of look and aesthetic, kind of country chic. That's what I call it, country chic, where you pair up a tank with like a muscle tank with like, with a skirt. Um, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, and I lived in really hot weather, but I don't know. So here's another one because like these were on sale for like under $4, I think. So I got another one since they were all like under $5. I got this one, which is under $5 too. And it's a turtleneck top in black by Capezio. So this is a dance wear, kind of to match the shorts. It's got an elastic waist. The whole thing is spandex. It's shiny. And the turtleneck is a full on turtleneck. Oh, it's pinched on in the back. So it's got a zip back. I'll show you fully. So the zip back stops at the bottom, just at the bottom. It's just like a pullover, but the zipper is in the back. And then it has like a little turtleneck to keep you warm. Um, I like the sleeve. The sleeve's nice and fitted. It's something that I really like with dance gear. Uh, I love fitted clothes because I love arabesque, and I think it's like I think it's super cute. Put it over your tops, and keep your body warm. I think my tops were a hit. I mean, it's just casual clothes, right? Athletic gear. So then I got this bag of socks. It says multicolor, 4 pairs, and women's size. So I got 4 of these, which are thin socks, and they're soft and kind of a little bit fluffy. See, they're a little bit fluffy. So I like these. These are cute. Um, they're no-show socks, so you can wear sneakers with them. That's why I bought them because like I have a lot of the basic Hanes um ones called crew socks. I buy those like and they're good. They're versatile, but when you're out and about and people look at your shoes, they're definitely gonna notice your sock. And I want my sock game on point this year. So I'm gonna start off with just these and um yeah, like I'm watching my what I put on my feet now. Um and trying to look more sharp and put together. And I know like what do you call it? Polka dots are not like everybody's aesthetic. I know they're kind of not the aesthetic at all, but like for me, I like them. I already have polka dot socks, and they're my favorite pair. But yeah, I get to retire those today. And so these were under $5, um, which is under $1 a pair. And that's how you want to buy socks. I think socks should generally fall under that price range unless they're really good socks, unless they're really good athletic or dress sock or hosiery. I mean, why pay a lot? And if they're just, casual wear and you're just gonna, you know, go through them, then yeah, the cheaper the better. So, um, overall, I paid under $15 for this haul, and I'm happy with it because like they're good brand and they're good quality, and you know, kind of finish up my wardrobe as far as athletic and workout gear, dance gear, kind of. I just started tapping into that. I got some point shoes, about 3 pairs of dance shoes. I got one sneakers and like enough wardrobe for a week. So I'm pretty happy with that. Um, this is a start in the right direction. It's all an investment for my future, and also it helps me to stick to my goals and health because, if you're looking crazy, you're gonna feel all crazy. Like people are gonna look at you crazy. And when you're out and about doing your thing, walking, running, jogging, hiking, you want to feel confident. And that's all, it's a big thing when you feel confident because I think for a lot of people, um, initiating things for your health is kind of a very personal thing. And then implementing them as far as your daily regimen, that takes a commitment. And you know what I'm saying? And waking up every day and being about your business, I think it's 100% effort on your part because it's only up to you. It only depends on you. The results solely depend on you, you know. So your health is wholly in your hands, and what you do with your life is all and nothing but your business. But when you feel confident enough to go out and face, each milestone, and you're determined to succeed, I feel like that is what it boils down to, being able to feel in your, good inside of your own self and know that no matter what, at the moment, nothing's going to kill your dream because, that's the type of mindset you need when you're trying to tackle, um, you know, the the goal. And yeah, I mean, all you got to do is focus on the little um focus on the goal at hand. Like, you can achieve each milestone and just focus on that one milestone and make it part of the big picture. Make your goal your big picture each and every step of the way. And each milestone you get to, be determined to achieve it and overcome any obstacle, that might undermine you. And know that you will have some type of obstacle to face. And you're waking up in the morning and facing each challenge, you know, it's like, you have to have that mentality. So, yeah, stay determined, be determined. And I think you will see things unfold and kind of go in the way of achieving your goal. But if you like this video, give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Might sound different. Bye bye.